Video update on 3 eggs. I believe that all 3 of them hatch. We'll take a look. Hopefully that was a little mean, but 3 babies. Look like this one's a little smaller. We'll see if that one make it. Just weaned these 10 guys here today. Put them up here, but we'll throw them down there a little bit. Check it here, blue bars, silver. These are all from my breeding loft, off my main breeders. These 2 here, I believe, are Fast Freddy's kid. The 1st and 2nd place national ace pigeons. Got the shiny neck already too. Got a slate right here. This got over a little bit. Forward. There goes one, jump down. I got a bunch out here sitting around enjoying the sun. Well, no sun today. Cloudy. Got a giant homer out there. She's always flying up there. White grizzles. There. I fostered those 2 eggs right there, the grizzle. Give it to a pale white to raise. These 2 baby grizzle will go to a good home next week. Alright, that's it. Update on some young birds here. They're all hiding on this side. These guys were to fly around my loft. On the older slate here. I got a giant homer pair here. Those 2 babies. They are huge babies. These babies are same size as these babies down here already. They're big.